anybody logs in to members.travelfunbiz.com, you should see your travel agent training in here. Your travel agent training courses now have getting started, first video to watch. So when you get onboarded, this is the first video to watch. And then the second step, when you're getting started, the second video is the second step, is your onboarding call, getting a Zoom call set up with your manager, and how to get the Florida Sellers of Travel. Do I need a California Seller Travel? Follow us on follow Shelby on the Cruise Director podcast. Then we go into travel insurance, and we go into Sherpa with the travel restrictions, and we go into Travel Joy. There's videos on Travel Joy. There's 3 videos on Trip Express, and thanks to what I just recorded earlier, we'll be adding another one. There's TAP, Expedia TAP, how to book with TAP, how to make the most of your commissions, the dynamic commissions they call it. So how to make more commissions through TAP. There's some tricks on how to package the flight, hotels and tours or car rentals, and how to package it together. And there's also VRBO, which was added to Expedia TAP. So if you want to make some commission on these vacation rental properties, just like Airbnb, but it's VRBO. So you can do that now through TAP. So that's in here as well. So now we have VAX Vacation Access. That is another portal that has tons of suppliers in here. And then booking with cruise line suppliers. So how to book with Virgin Voyages, MSC, Cruising Power, Celebrity, NCL, Carnival. We go through the lot. Then we have, I broke it out for river cruises. You've got Viking, Riviera, AMA Waterways, Avalon, Uniworld. Yachts, how to book with Windstar. Hotels, right now I have AMR and I have Sandals and Beaches. So there's some videos there. Now, just a section on tours. You can book tours through TAP. We can get tours through Viator. And there'll be some more because now we're going to have Ventures Ashore give us a training, I think, next month. So we'll add that one as well. Packaged and guided tours. So Exotica, they do group tours, small group tours of 8 to 12 people, and we can book them through VAX, and you can also book them direct through their portal. And then we also have Globus and Rail Bookers and Amtrak Vacations. So these are some of the trainings that are in here, and there's more and more and more added all the time. Now this is just the travel agent training program.